Expedia review. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be discussing to you guys about Expedia and if it's the best for booking hotels and flights. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in which it will redirect you to Expedia and then you will get some special discounts. So yeah, again, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get special discounts when you're planning to book your hotels and flights with Expedia. So yeah, so let's start off with the review right here. So in Expedia's website, it tells us on why you should book with Expedia. So first is that you can plan with ease. So the intuitive search function lets you compare countless deals at the click of a button. Customizing your trip is a breeze, too, thanks to the handy search filters and huge selection. Next is you can also book with confidence. So in Expedia, you'll get cost-saving features like price drop protection and price tracking, which can help you book some of the cheapest deals, while 24/7 chat support and booking protection give you peace of mind before, during, and after your trip. And then lastly, so we have One Key. So in here, Expedia's loyalty program rewards you with 1 key cash for eligible bookings, including hotels, vacations, cars, activities, and flights. So members can also save up to 10% or more on thousands of hotels. So yeah, so we can check out Expedia right here. So again, when you click on the link in the description below, you will get a special discount when you go to the Expedia by using the link in the description below. Okay, so in here in Expedia, you can either book a stay, a flight, cars, packages, and things to do. So for example, I'll just choose a stay right here and then you'll get to see all the hotels right here and where you can stay at. So as you can see right here that it also has some discounted prices right here, like from 4,000 Philippine pesos, it's now 2,000. From 8,000, it became 7,000 and etc. And then when I scroll down right here, you'll also get to see special deals and discounts. So for example, this one is 10% off. This one is 5% off, 10% off. This one is 51% off and a lot more. So you can check all of these deals out if you want to avail on places to stay. So as you can see right here, some of the deals right here have a member price of 10% off. So basically what this means, you will need to be a member to avail these special discounts. So if you want to avail these special discounts, just simply create an account and then there you go, you are now a member. And then once you're a member, when you go to your profile right here, I'll just simply click on this one. As you can see, they also have a points system right here. So if you have like 10 trip elements, you'll be a silver member. And then if you get 25 trip elements, you will be a gold member. So yeah, feel free to take advantage of this. And yeah, so if you want to book, let's say an hotel, just go up right here and then just simply choose the location where you want to book the hotel, choose the dates, how many travelers will be going, and then you can also add a flight or add a car. And then once you're done configuring your booking details, just simply click on search. And then here we are. So as you can see right here, they have a 51% off discount. So just click on it. And then there you go. So once you're here, when we scroll down, as you can see, it has some discounted prices right here. So if you want to book it, just simply click on reserve right here, just like that. And then you'll be redirected here in the payment page. And after that, just simply fill in your payment details. And as you can see at the top right here, you will earn 56 Expedia reward points. So yeah. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can avail discounts and special prices when you're going to book some flights and hotels by using Expedia. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.